All right, we are doing some kind of like uh, uh, coolant tube replacement maybe, and water pump on that Jaguar 2016 F-Type. It's 5.0 V8. So basically the intake manifold, the supercharge has to come off. I mean, along with the water pump, I found that it's about like 8 hours job. So they all tend to fail. So we have the broken parts right here, see? I don't know how come Jaguar made that things like so complicated. So I already get everything from the dealer. But anyway, this thing needs to be replaced. The hoses, whenever you have some kind of leak on this vehicle, we have to do the whole job, regardless, because these are all made by plastic. With that kind of age, over 100,000 miles, all these hoses and everything has to be replaced. I have my technician here, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
So he already have the experience and everything. So we're gonna do that. We pressurize the coolant system. We have some leak over here on that thermostat housing. So I'm gonna take it off to see if we're gonna replace the gasket or the whole thing. And then what else we need to do? It's always a good idea to replace the head, the intake manifold gaskets and the supercharger seal and gasket. Always do that whenever you want to do the job. And then we're gonna check the spark plugs to see if they needed to be replaced. That's another challenging on this kind of vehicle. And beside of that, we should be fine. So it has got two belts on it. One of them is double side. The other one is for the water pump, driven by the crankshaft. And then that should be all about it. Do we need to replace that part too?
Which one?
With this one.
Yes.
So okay. How we gonna replace that one? Take the water pump off or no?
Yeah, we'll have to take the water pump out.
We have to,
Yes,
right?
we'll have to.
We have to do that. Okay. So yeah, like I said, there is a like kind of like serious job. So I mean, again, I'm summarized like 8 hours job in like 3 minutes video. It's just for those guys who have some kind of experience. And if you're not a technician, if you're not a mechanic, that's not DIY job. So you better to take it to the auto repair shop or certified auto repair shop. They can get the job done for you. So be careful. You cover all the holes goes to the intake, and do not drop anything. Other than that, you're gonna mess up the whole engine. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like that kind of video. Everything is free. Just give me a call if you need anything or have a question. See you next time.